Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 11, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down a combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In this following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option Safe Mode. And as you can see, the sign here at the bottom says Safe Mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit the safe mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.